Welcome to the Gemini Era, unveiling a new chapter of innovation and possibilities. Google has released its most powerful AI model yet, called Gemini Ultra. Launched on December 6, 2023. This multimodal AI is capable of processing and understanding information from various sources, including text, images, video, and even code. Gemini Ultra boasts impressive capabilities across a wide range of tasks. Language understanding: it can analyze and interpret complex language, including nuanced meaning and context. Gemini Ultra boasts impressive capabilities across a wide range of tasks. Language understanding: it can analyze and interpret complex language, including nuanced meaning and context. Code generation: it can generate code based on natural language descriptions, bridging the gap between human intent and machine execution. Gemini Ultra's potential applications are vast, with potential impacts across various fields, such as education, customer service, healthcare, entertainment.
Education, personalized learning experiences, automated grading, and intelligent tutoring. Customer service, enhanced chatbots, efficient ticket routing, and automated customer support. Healthcare, improved disease diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and virtual assistants for medical professionals. Entertainment, interactive storytelling, personalized content recommendations, and AI-powered creative tools.
Thank you for being a part of our community. Your time and support mean the world to us. Stay connected for more exciting content. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay connected, subscribe now.